Want a bedside device that does it all? This is for you.
Alexa, stop. Wow, that was a fun dream. I've never rode a giraffe before. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, sunshine. Looking good. Today, you can expect intermittent clouds with a high of 52 degrees and a low of 39 degrees. Here's your flash briefing.
Bet your phone alarm can't do all that. Create custom routines in the Alexa app to get mornings moving automatically. Hear words of inspiration, get news and weather updates, learn a fun fact. Nice. Whatever you need to start your day right.
Okay, it's meeting time. Alexa, have a good day.
Same to you.
And when you're all done with work, Alexa can help you unwind. Ease into the evening with music, meditation, podcasts, and Audible books.
Welcome back to Daily Meditation.
And when you're ready to catch some Z's, use skills like sleep sounds to drown out ambient noise and drift into dreamland.
Alexa, open Swiss massage sounds.
Okay, playing sleep sounds. Swiss massage.
Ooh, yeah. I can almost feel someone's elbow just right in my back. Wake up and wind down with Alexa, your all-in-one nightstand companion.
Alexa, turn off the light.